Well, the forecast for Memorial Day weekend is clear. There is a cool front coming through, but it looks like it will be going north of us. Hi folks, we have some torrential rain coming into the area and the ground is already saturated, so we are looking at a flash flood situation. Stay tuned, we will keep you advised. Hi folks, we have some torrential rain coming down right now in the Tulsa area, and it's causing severe flooding all over Tulsa. Mingo Creek is full and the streets are flooded. We have a reporter, Ben Had, on the scene at 11th and Garnett, and he is going to update us on the road conditions. Ben, what's it like out there?
Well, Travis, it's not good out here. Evidently, here at the intersection of 11th and Garnett, there's a huge drainage ditch that is full of water, and the streets and buildings are flooding. People are starting to move to higher ground, and cars are being sucked into that huge ditch. One eyewitness saw a woman hanging onto a stop sign to keep from getting swept away in the current. We are afraid that people in some of these cars have drowned. We are trying to keep cars from driving through this intersection. Back to you, Travis.
This represents a normal rainfall. This represents a nice, strong rainfall. This represents what happened on Memorial Day. Any questions? Okay. The reason so much rain came down on Tulsa early that day was because a cold front came through and stalled right over Tulsa. This natural disaster happened because Tulsa's drainage system was too inadequate to handle 15 inches of rainfall in a single hour. Mingo Creek flooding had occurred many times in the previous years, but this rainfall emptied over 9 inches of rain in the Mingo Creek basin alone and caused widespread flash flooding throughout the entire city.